You can view two Excel sheets side by side. And in order to do that, you go up, and the first thing you do is say New Window. So it's going to make another copy of what you're already looking at. So I've got flash fill. Maybe I'll put this on conditional formatting so I can look at them side by side. You might normally use this to compare two different spreadsheets, but we're just going to use the same one for now. So now that I have a second window on my View tab, I'm going to click on View Side by Side. And right now I have it set to view vertically, and it also automatically set so that they're scrolling simultaneously. But if the normal view is horizontal, let me show you what that looks like. It would normally look like this, and you would scroll it. So to switch that, you go to Arrange All, change it to vertical, and say OK. You want to take it off, then you just go back up to View Side by Side, click it again, and you have your two separate spreadsheets.